4.45. Coin, halfpenny, but only on the back anyway. Just looks a bit, I don't know, might be following me. Maybe. Still down there. At that time, 6pence. Sixpence. Three decimal penny. Another one. Could be a 6pence, could be just a normal penny. Copper coloured. Might be a farthing, might be a penny. Might just be a modern penny. I don't know, we'll clean it up. $1.39, so I guess it's going to be an old coin. So, somewhere. $10 inches. Must be right down the side. Not anymore. The threepence. The threepence. Looking like a sixpence. Again. Right, it's a bit coppery. Come on. Could be sixpence. Yeah, it is. Sixpence. Something. It's a coin up. How penny is it? Looks like an halfpenny. It's a bit thin though, might be Victorian. Maybe a farmer. Some sort of little figure, look. Wow. So we're finding his tractor now. Got it. Got it. Nope. Well, it is. Whatever that is. It's fine. Here's reference. Yes. Georgia 6, threepence. Halfpenny, I think. I'll go with halfpenny. I'm not going to film that one, it's going to be a bit rubbish, but looking like a sixpence. Plenty to clean up today again. Very shallow coin if it's a coin. Oh, so gold on the edge then. That's the threepence. Yeah, the threepence, a new pound coin. Can't make it out. There's a new pound coin, bloody things. It looks like a young Elizabeth, so I'm guessing it's a threepence. I'm guessing it's a threepence. Last one. Take the 11. Sixpence up. That's a bit of silver. George V. It's a good hair on it. Let's see the year on it. 33 or 35. George V. That's another sixpence. I think it's very old. Well, George, which George it is. 6. Hello, we're back. Oh, what a bumper day on silver coins it was today with the CTX. Plenty, absolutely no new coins today. Oldest coin, I don't know if you can make it out, Victoria 1887 I believe, and then a few pennies, various dates. That one 1912, George V, George VI 1942, ship halfpenny. Another George VI one, I can't make a date out on it quite. You might see it in a close-up picture. And a few halfpennies, ship halfpennies, you know, general stuff. And the silverware, well, there's that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sixpences. I think that's the best for me. There's 1, 2, 3 George VI, 48, oh sorry, no, 2 sixpences George V, 48 and a 47, a farthing again, but I can't see the date on it, it's still crusted up, I might clean that one off, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 George V coins, 28, 33, 36, 32, 35 and 36. So a bumper day, CTX 3030 on the beach. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, bye bye.